What's up, everybody? Crypto Whiskey here. I'm going to make this short, simple, and sweet. If this is the only video you ever watch about Bitcoin or crypto, this will be the biggest, most understanding video that you can find. This is so simple. It's common sense. Let's get right to it and make it short. All right, this is the yearly chart for Bitcoin. Each one of these candles represent 12 months. This is the beginning of crypto. Okay? Now, nobody knew anything about crypto. It wasn't publicized, a big media run before it happened. So, these first two candles are almost the adoption, people understanding it, coming out, it getting out to the black market and understanding what it is. So, from low to high on our first bull market, we had 53,000% return. Okay? 53,000% from low to high. Then here comes our first bear market. We go down from our next bear market low to our next bull run. We had 14,000% gains. And then from our next bear market low to our next bull market high, we had 2,000% gains. All right, now that's diminishing returns. It's creeping up in price, but the amount of returns from low to high are getting smaller and smaller, and that's common with any cycle. This is a 4-year cycle, and Bob Loukas presents it better than anybody. It is a 4-year cycle that has not been broken yet, and I don't see it breaking anytime soon. So let's assume Bitcoin cuts it in half since it's diminishing returns. We go from our cycle low to what we would say 1,000% gain. That puts us at $162,000 Bitcoin by the fourth candle here, by our end of our 4-year cycle. And as you can see, after we have our bear market for a year, most of the time we finish those yearly candles in an upward trend. So you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Our bear market now is over, and we just started it. Maybe not completely over, but we just started year 3 of the cycle. And you can see here we can wick down low at some point, but where the candle finishes is always halfway up to our bear market. Halfway up to our bear market. Let's assume so halfway through here, when candle 3 closes, we should be around the $29,000 to $30,000 mark at the end of 2023. Therefore, that makes a lot of sense because that $30,000 level was super, super strong support coming down. It fought hard not to break it. That's where we should end 2023. And then 2024, the bull market top should be around the $160,000 to $165,000 range. It could spike a little more, but with technical analysis, this is the most common, most likely outcome with diminishing returns. So you still have a chance to make massive gains. We are setting at $16,800 right now. If we wick down to 12 or 13,000, that's fine. That's another buying opportunity. But what this chart points out is you need to be in crypto and have your position set in year 3 of the cycle. We are in year 3. Now is not the time to be waiting for a better deal, or I'm going to wait to see if it starts going up. That's not how you trade this. You want to buy as close to the bottom as possible. Worst case scenario, in my opinion, is around $12,000. I don't see anything lower than 10, and if that happens, that could be for a night or two, and then we're right back up. I've watched it fall from 20K, and I watched it drop from 10 to 4,000 in an hour and then pop right back up to 9,500, 12,000 the next day. It doesn't last long. Don't try to catch those bottoms. Have your position set by year 3, and you're going to have 3 years of upside. If you have the patience, this will pay off big time. And everything follows Bitcoin. So what Bitcoin does, the rest of the crypto are going to do. So those gains will be exacerbated also. We're not talking about those. We're talking about the grandfather, the leader. Plain and simple. Everything you need to know about Bitcoin right here. It's a 4-year cycle. It's playing out perfectly. You need to be allocated now. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you want more detailed information, like, subscribe, follow my channel. There's also going to be a Discord link in the description. You can join our Discord, free 7-day trial, $5 a month after that. Crypto setups, stock setups, all day, every day. Live help, live technical analysis, live streams every day. Great community of people. Join it today. Thanks, guys.